Ni hao, dude. What's going on, dude? It's Ben from Spin City. Kenny Wade in the house. We're working on the fucking MT-07 today. And Steve is putting on the fucking Akrapovič exhaust right now, dude. So we're gonna watch Steve work hard, baby. What are we doing right now, Steve?
Stripping out some bolts.
Stripping out bolts. Get those f***ers off.
Magic stick. Not that one.
Not that one.
Where did the other one go?
The other magic stick? 3/8 magic stick?
Yes.
Break that hoe.
Okay. That's it.
Just like that, Jack. All right, so off camera, Steve took these two bolts off, and now we're gonna start it. Ain't that right, Steve?
No.
No, we're not.
Horrible idea.
We're not starting it right now. Hit her, hit her.
Yeah, I know, the gaskets want to fall out of the head. So little anti-seize, make them stick in there when we put the header on.
All right, if you didn't hear what Steve said, we're gonna put some anti-seize.
Just a little bit to hold the gasket in place. Before we get the header up in there because they want to fall out. All right. We just stuff this baby in the hole.
We stuff her in there. All right.
Now we need the business end.
Now the business. Oh. We already took the baffle out, dude, because fuck that shit.
Baffles are for babies.
Baffles are for babies. Now you don't want to tighten those header bolts. Just get them hand tight. Ain't that right, Kenny Wade?
Yeah, you gotta line her all up.
Line her all up. Oh, you need the bolt?
Yeah, I got one. Where'd the other one go?
Anyone seen a bolt? Looking for a bolt. You see a bolt anywhere, Kenny Wade? Oh, here it is. Gotcha, bitch. So there's two of them, one on each side.
One on each side, 9/16.
9/16.
No, these are 12 millimeter.
They're 12, I'm sorry.
12 millimeter, Ben lied.
That's one of them. Yeah, baby, check that motherfucker out. Stussy. All right, everything's in place. Mr. S. Steve is gonna fucking pull these springs out. He's gonna stretch these hose. Ooh, the master. Hell yeah, master. Like butter, y'all. That thing, dude.
No.
Just like that. Now O2 sensor. Twist it and then untwist it while twisting. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. You don't need to fucking manhandle it. And boom, that's a wrap, baby. Sheesh. Here it is, dude. Check it out. Oh, fuck, much deeper, dude. It's kind of wimpy. Ah! Woo! Yeah! Fuck. Sheesh. That motherfucker's loud as f. Yeah, that sounds really good. That's pretty good. Now does the cage fit, dude?
Oh yeah, it'll fit.
Yes! And of course there's a catalytic converter on here. What did that take? 15 minutes? Literally, that's what I have on the GoPro right now. It's 15 minutes. Thanks again, Steve. Steve's the fucking man, dude. Hey man, if you like what you fucking see, dude, don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, leave a like. Anyways, I love you.